I just now woke up in the morning. Today is 2nd February 2023, and I will show you one violent goddess in my home. Right? She is none other than Vana Durga. Is the implication, right? I'm standing right. Today is 2nd February 2023. Right? She is Vana Durga, right? Vana Durga Mahakali Brahma Vishnu Shivatmika. She is nature goddess, right? You see, Vishnu is within her, Shiva is within her, and all the forms of goddess, Mahakali, Ganesha. She is a natural goddess. Very less people, less than 1% know that nature is goddess. That's why it is Bharat Mata. Today is 2nd February 2023, right? That's it.